So in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can smooth, shade and remove a vertex from the Blender workspace and UV editing window. So just simply open the Blender, and for example this is a basic 3D model on which I've been working, and I have added a cube over there and extruded it with this extrude tool. Now if I want to make this smoother and remove a particular vertex, I just first simply need to select the vertex of which I want to make changes, and just simply hit right key over your mouse, and when you click there you're gonna find this option of smooth vertices. Just simply click over there, and now you can see this vertex has been made some smooth changes. And if I select some other vertex from this model also, I just simply need to hit this smooth vertex. Now you can see it made some changes to look the object more smoother. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.